G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make dark chocolate banana bites. Really quick and simple, a really nice little treat. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get some bananas, cut them up, as many as you want, and then put them in the freezer a couple of hours so they freeze. I'll get some dark chocolate, anywhere from 100 to 200 grams. I'm using dark chocolate. You can use any chocolate you like, white chocolate, milk chocolate. Pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds, give it a stir. Repeat that process of 30 seconds and stirring until it's completely melted. Now I'll just get the frozen banana, dip it in, let it drain off a little, just dip it in there. Just put it somewhere and just repeat. You can put it back in the freezer to let the chocolate completely harden, but the banana's been frozen. It should just do that without you having to put it back in. Pretty easy. You can just eat them like this, dip them in some crushed almonds. That's what I usually like to do. Or just sprinkle a couple on top like that to complete the awesomeness. Just like that. Beautiful. Well, I hope you like these. Yeah. Now, which one will I have? This one. Wow. That was so good. It was just really cold on my sore tooth. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple Cooking.